In this video, we're going to talk about what happens when systems have no solution or infinitely many solutions. Okay, so what we've dealt with so far is when they had one solution. They meet at one point where those two lines intersect. Okay, that's what we've dealt with here. But there are times that those two lines are parallel and there are no solutions. And sometimes those two lines are the exact same line and there are infinite solutions. Okay, so here's an example of that. This is what we've had so far, two lines that had one solution where they crossed. But if the two lines are parallel, they have no solutions. Okay, and a lot of times we'll do a circle with a line through it to show they have no solution. If it ends up they are the same line, they have infinite solutions. Okay, they coincide. So let's try one. Says solve the system 4x plus 6y equals 12 and 6x plus 9y equals 12. So what they chose to do is to make the x's 12s. So they multiplied the top by 3 and they did the bottom, instead of doing it by 2, they did by -2. So it would cancel out. So when you multiply everything here by 3, you get 12x plus 18y equals 36. When you multiply this entire equation by -2, you get -12x minus 18y equals -24. Now what happens is all your letters cancel out. Okay? You end up with 0 equals 12. When all of your variables cancel out and you end up with a false statement here, 0 does not equal 12. So solution to this one would be empty set. Okay? Now what if we got 12 equals 12? If you end up with a statement that's true, then what you have is infinite solutions. Okay, every point on that line is a solution. So to sum that up, if both variables are eliminated when you solve a system, okay, and there's no solution if the statement is false, okay, when both variables are eliminated and you're looking at your answer, if you end up with 0 equals any number, that's false. If you end up with a statement that's true, then it is infinite solutions. So no solution is when it's false. Infinitely many solutions is when you end up with something that's true, like 12 equals 12.